Welcome to ESG MatchMaker. On the ESG MatchMaker website, click the Register button. Fields marked with a red star are mandatory. After entering your basic information, if you have a discount code, please enter it to apply your discount. Once done, you'll be taken directly to the first step of the 5-step ESG journey, creating your company profile. You will see the industry selection page. Simply follow the instructions to complete the company profile. If you like to bring more team members into ESG MatchMaker to support your journey, you can add users through the user maintenance page. Then set their roles and permissions in role maintenance, giving them the right access to assist you effectively. This is the complete process of registering and adding users on ESG MatchMaker. Follow these steps to register successfully and add more users.